Good morning, you YouTubes, you. Confession time. Forgot to record an intro for this second flight on the Dynam Hurricane that took place in the afternoon of D-Day plus 80 years. So here she is, the lovely rebuilt, don't know how many times, Dynam Hurricane. It's going to get in the air. Enjoy the flight. Here we go. Something loud and not too low over on my right hand side. Won't be any bother to him. Or he to us. there's, oh, I see him. Yeah, it's something quite large, and we're just going to be passing over him in the distance now. Not that bird. There's something a bit meaty up there. Not sure what it is. Minute timer. So we need to think about approach. Taking it up and away. Full flaps now. Rudder it round. And approach. Skipping over the wires. In for another nose over landing, of course. Grass has gone a little bit too long. Oh, and did you see that gust? Catch it.
Oh, is that what happened?
Yeah.
Any excuse.
Yeah, pilot's best. It was the wind, honest governor. It was the wind.
Bounce as well. Undercarriage all right?
Yeah. Yes, it is. Stood up to it since I glued it all in properly.
Yeah.
Not like the factory. Right, hold on. Have this for the sign up. Thank you, Monkey for tone. There you go. A graceless landing on the second flight of the Hurricane on June 6th, 2024. Grass is getting quite long, I think you can probably agree. It's,
Yeah, a rut, isn't it?
yeah, and there's lots of dinkles and all sorts. Very rough ground here. Hopefully might get it rolled at one point in the future. But for now, this is the way, taking off from the hard runway but landing back on the grass until I've got confidence. But even if I can get it onto the concrete runway, the run out means it will just hit the grass at the end and nose over again, so it's 6 of one, half a dozen of the other. Anyway, YouTube, excuses over. I enjoyed that flight, hope you did too, and you know the drill. Stay safe, keep your tin hats on, and come watch another PRCA video as soon as you like, please, from me, the Happy Hurricane, and film cameraman extraordinaire Mon Capitone. Goodbye.